we can insert an image in a label. Okay, we will do just that. Let me just copy first. Let me copy and let me paste here the label. Okay, this will be the label where we will insert the image. And by the way, let's see these on the app. Okay, we have here the names because we are inserting here in the text of the label the product name. Okay, and now let's do the code that will insert the image in this label. Okay, first thing of all, we need to get the width and the height of the parent. So I will just copy and paste. Why? Because we need to resize the image. Okay, then we need the image path. So is not parent, is product dot image path. Okay, next we need to use a third-party module. Okay, that is Pillow. So you need to pip install Pillow if you don't have Pillow. We need to import from PIL. We want to import the image. I was checking if I was right. I will call it pil image. Okay, for us to know exactly this is a pil image, a pillow image. And also we need to import the TK, the image TK, okay, as pil image TK, right? With these two imports, we can open the image. Let's open the image. Image is equals to pil image dot open, and we provide the image path. Oops. Okay, we just opened the image. Next step, we need to resize the image. Image is equals to image dot resize, just like that. Okay, we can do this. We need to provide the final size we want. Okay, we want a size just like this and like this. Okay, it's a tuple. Okay, it receives a tuple with the width and the height of the image. Okay, so we just opened the image, resize the image, and now we need to convert it into an image that TkInter can understand. So how to do that? With the pil image TK, pil image TK dot photo image. Okay, and we pass the image. Okay, so this will convert the image into something that TK understands. Okay, and with this we are almost done. We need to access we need to go to this label image. Okay, and change the property. We need to configure the property image, okay, to be equals to this EMG. Okay, usually this line of code is enough for the image to appear in the label. Okay, sometimes, and because these have a very how to say a very complex story behind, sometimes we need to reinforce the idea. Okay, this I believe it is related with garbage collection. Okay, and that's another story. Okay, so we need to reinforce the idea that the label image have this property, the image, and it is equals to this EMG. Okay, so let's see if everything is working. Let's run. Ta-da! we see the images. Okay,